Welcome to a new episode of Let's Chat on the Plug in India channel. We have with us today Mr. Hemang Shah, who is the founder of EO India. Now, EO India is associated with EO, a company from UK, the founder of which, Mr. Charlie Jardine, is well known to us. And Hemang ji is also, of course, very well known to us. He's a member, very active member of the Indian electric vehicle community, and is very passionate about sustainability. And Hemang ji, we would like you to tell us a little bit about how you got into electric vehicles in general and electric vehicle supply equipment in specific.
And my hello to you, everybody. I'm Hemang Shah from EO Charging India, and along with me, we have my colleague, Aisha Shah, who is Customer Relationship Manager. Hi, Aisha.
Hi, hello.
So we realize, the electric vehicles are necessary as a cleaner mobility solution. So 2015, we experimented this by buying an electric car, and it was a wonderful experience. And that's how we met Plug in India team members. Soon Plug in India was formed, and we did many rallies. These rallies were specifically to make common charging points, motivating people to adopt electric cars. Until I realized the importance of a good quality charge. That's how we pursued the field and had a technology transfer with the collaboration from EO Charging UK to EO Charging India. So let me tell you something about EO Charging UK. So EO Charging UK is a company formed in 2015, founded by Charlie Jardine. He's the CEO of the company. 2015, they started a journey. Until today, they have installed 30,000 chargers in 30 countries. And they've understood the product requirement because they are selling the product in some countries which are much more advanced in EDV adaptation, 10 years ahead than us. So they realize the problems with the charging stations, the individual chargers, the drivers, the government, the power companies. So they incorporate all these solutions into a hardware and a software form, making a software in-house and the hardware designed and manufactured in-house. It becomes the world's best charging station solution.
Good to know the background and the story behind EO India. Well, back in 2018, we had also got a project from Mr. Charlie Jardine in the UK, and he asked us to test his chargers. At that time, we were really impressed with the quality and the look also of the chargers. And basically, they were really feature rich. So tell us a little bit about the variants of the EO EVSEs.
Yeah, so we can describe them in two categories, and there are subcategories. The first category, which is for home and individual charging, is called an EO Mini range. And then the second category is the commercial apartment and the fleet charging, so this, which is the EO Genius and the basic range. So the subcategories would be dumb chargers and the smart chargers. So in this range, we have chargers you just directly plug in and charge. So these all are very feature rich and very robust kind of product, comprising of EO Mini, EO Basic, and EO Genius range.
Awesome. Can you tell us a little bit more about the hardware features of these EVSEs?
So we have EO Mini, which is the smallest 7.4 kilowatt charging station in the world. Soon we'll be having 22 kilowatt capacity in similar model, which will be released soon. You can imagine, this is just a 7-inch charger. EO ALM load management system is perfect for homes with limited power supply. So here, it's a small iPhone size of hardware which you can connect to the charger. Here you can optimize the use of the available load for home and charging purposes. Then you have EO Smart Home Hub, which allows drivers to start, stop, and schedule charging. It also allows you to lock your charger and benefit from time of use energy tariff. So we have another hardware, EO Hub, which can connect up to 32 dumb charging stations to the internet, making it most cost-effective, scalable, commercial, smart charging solutions on the market.
What we'd also like to know is what is the safety features, because we know that that's very important to you as a company. So what are the safety features that these chargers provide?
There are 3 types of safety. The 3 safeties are one with the charger, one with the charging conditioning, which is going to the charger, to the car, and one is inside the car while charging. So, you see, first thing what we do is 6 milliamps DC leak detection for protecting against direct current leakage is given. This is an optional feature. It's an international standard. The locking feature in the app. So when you are away from home, you can lock your charger. When you are away from the charger, the cable cannot be removed. Numerous other protections and protocols of the chargers while communicating with BMS of the car that will check the temperature of the battery. Like in case, if the battery is really going high or it's really high while charging, to start the charging, either it will wait or it will let come down to a certain temperature and start the charging.
You just told us that the hardware and software is tightly integrated. Can you tell us a little bit about the software
Right.
feature? That is the top 5 top software features of the VVACs.
We have a multi-level user access. You can set multiple EO cloud accounts to manage EV charging at an individual or a global level. So if you have if your customer is coming and you have a charge point operation system which you are pan India so you can give access to the individual user for that typical site or maybe that city or the district, state or the whole country. You can monitor live charging activities. You can check the status of your charging station at each depot with ease and how many bays are working, how much charge is going in, how much is the current that is being drawn, which are the customers that are using it. You can configure the site load management. So you let the EO hub control the charging rate of your chargers. Like from single phase you can do from 3.7 to 7.4, or a 3-phase you can do 11 to 22 kilowatt. You can configure what is the output you require. So in case if you've been traveling throughout India and there is a national charging point operator, so you somewhere in Karnataka, somewhere in Tamil Nadu, somewhere in Maharashtra, somewhere in Punjab. So you go to them and tell them, I want complete data of how many times I've charged in your network and what time and how many kilowatts and how much money. You can get all the data, boss. Everything at one shot.
Wow, that's a really integrated solution. And I suppose this is only possible because the same person that manufactures the charger also has made the software. Hence it's so tightly integrated. So Hemangji, if there was an office complex and they wanted charging for their employees, what charger would you recommend and why?
Directly, if they want to just give charging as a service, they should use EO Mini. Very simple charger. But if they want to monitor that energy, they want to have the load management, because load management is important. There is electricity available for the office, which is very important for the appliances in the office to run. Rest of the energy is used for the charging.
Hemangji, if there's a factory campus, for instance, which has a fleet of delivery electric vehicles, what would you recommend for them?
Yeah, I mean, for factory campus, it's very important to understand that, the factory needs the power in the daytime when it's working, or when the more of power is available when factory is not fully operational or at the evening time. And vehicles will go outside in the daytime for deliveries. So they should charge ideally in the evening, analyze the required power for each route that is required. If there is a 20% charge and tomorrow the vehicle has to go for 40 kilometers, so it will need about 60% of more charge. So 80% is fine, optimized. You can add all that data and give that to the charging system, the load management system, which we can use from EO Hub and the Genius combination. What will happen is it will charge in the cheapest price available and keep your vehicles ready. So for factory and fleets, EO Genius and Hub is the best product that we would recommend.
Right. What we're going to see a lot of happening in India as it develops is an interesting category of public parking lots or malls where we'll have EVSEs coming up. Can you tell us what product would be the right one for this and why?
So with using EO Hub and EO Genius, you can monitor, you can charge the customer through the amount of energy used, or you can have an additional service charge if you have provided some cable or some other function, or you can add parking charges to it. So how many hours the parking has happened and how many hours the charging has happened individually can be monitored and collected at the time of going. So EO Genius and EO Hub makes an excellent proposition for malls as well as public charging, where it becomes cost effective, systematic and very much operational.
Hemangji, it's very interesting to know that these chargers can actually be configured so that they can have a different rate for parking and different charging rates. And that's really something that fleets and large installations of EVSEs are going to find very useful. Well, moving on, let's take a look at the scenario where you have an apartment complex. Now, they're all residents over here, and what kind of charger would you recommend to them?
So, if you see, EO Genius and Hub has so many features that it's used for so many applications. So what happens is apartment uh, fixes all the chargers in the parking, and the owners of the flat or the parking, they charge their car. So this helps them, the owner, to understand how much energy is utilized. He can have his individual statement. Society can send a monthly statement to the each owner. We recommend Hub and Genius. It becomes more monetizing for the society.
Can you tell us a little bit about the chargers, where they are made, and what are the plans for Indianization of these chargers?
Currently, we manufacture it in UK. However, we are beginning assembly in Pune itself. The intention will be to fully manufacture in India from 2021. And regarding Indianization, we are going to develop language software, wherein then software will be in local languages.
We have a lot of inquiries on our website and on our channel also about dealerships, because people want to get into the EVSC business and they want to tie up with somebody who's manufacturing the OEMs. So what is your input for them? How can they get in touch with you, and is there some process which they need to follow?
Yeah, so presently we are making a network of distributorships state-wise and dealership regionally. So for distributorship and dealership, they can connect us on india@charging.com. That's our mail ID. And at present, we already have 16 states distributors, and we are also working on the dealership network because we require more dealers for pan-India presence. Yeah.
Right. At present, I think you're at 16 states already. So
that we already have distributors in 16 states. Yeah, and we are also working on with the dealership network. True.
Wonderful, wonderful. This is the end of the question and answer session from our side. But there are many other viewers of Plug in India who have written in, and they have questions which they would like to ask you, India. So let's go ahead with that. The first question is from Mr. Piyush Jain, who stays in Dehradun. And he says, I have been studying the charging station market and checked out the EO India website and love the simplicity of the EO chargers. However, any pricing which is greater than 50,000 per charger is a problem. Can we expect affordable model of EO chargers?
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Piyush Jain. Sorry, actually it was not viable to have a very cheap price because we cannot afford to manufacture the best quality, best software, latest features with all import duties. Truly, there is no comparison of EO products with any other product. Our EO Mini starts with a range of rupees 60,000, whereby with the customer request, we are putting it down to rupees 44,900 from 15th May 2020 itself.
So how is it possible, Aisha, that suddenly the price is coming down from 60,000 to 44,900?
Now we are going to launch EO Mini India itself, and now we don't have the import duties on it. So when we cut down the import duties, our prices will go down. So then we can offer you the best prices. Yeah.
That's good to hear. All right. The next question is from Mr. Nasradan Selvakumaran, and he's from Coimbatore. He asks that my friend is contemplating starting a business with 20 plus fleet of electric cars and e-rickshaws for commercial purposes. Can EO help with a plan to provide charging for his EVs? More importantly, can your chargers charge e-rickshaws?
Thank you, Mr. Natarajan. We highly recommend your friend to go for EO Genius and Hub, which will suffice his requirements as a successful charge point operator. We can provide DC chargers, which will be integrated to our software for your AC and DC requirement at one platform. Since we have our own hardware and our own software, this makes it easy for you to manage things, and get best out of it. This makes it as a one-point solution. We'll also recommend you e-rickshaw chargers. These chargers will be installed and serviced by the same installation team doing your AC and DC chargers, giving you one point of control at all your charging equipments.
Okay, the next question is from Mr. Ravi Iyer from Kochi, and he asks, currently EO chargers only come with type 2 cables. Can your chargers work with vehicles having other types of connectors like the IEC60309, the 3-pin socket? Do you supply any adapters?
So yeah, actually we are working with Type 2, which is universally accepted and compatible for all cars. But few old cars will need 3 pins for a few years. We can connect our charger with an adapter, which we can provide on demand. So we will be glad to help you, Mr. Ravi.
Thank you, Aisha. And Hemang and Aisha, both of you, thank you very much for telling us so much about EO India. You viewers are very eager to know about such things and new developments in the industry. Hope to see you again on our channel soon.
Thank you, Plug in India.
Thank you, Plug in
Mr.
India.
Hemang.
Thank you, Aisha.